Y'all fucking with the merch. $100 challenge, episode 3. Today we're at Ross, dress best for less, or whatever the fuck they said, dress for less. $100 challenge, Ross edition. If you didn't hear the news, 1,000 ASINs is racist. Yeah, $100 challenge, Ross edition. I'm about to show you how to flip 100 to more than 100. Let's get it. This is low-key profitable. Yeah, low-key is profitable. $7, selling for like 30 bucks.
What was wrong with it?
High competition.
What up, Trappers? If you're interested in learning how me and my team can help you start and scale your Amazon business, click the link in my bio to book a 100% free call. We'll walk you through everything. See you soon.
This sells 500 times a month on Amazon. It's selling for $20 in the store, going for $40 online. Selling about 400 times a month. Wow. Around Christmas time, it sells around 6,000 times a month. We got 2 of these. It's $40 spend so far. $16 profit. How much is this? Too expensive. No motion. $17. Sells 108 times a month, but at Christmas it sells 2,000 times a month, and the price goes to $35, leaving me with a $6 profit. So that's a cop. Check out the merch. Check out the hat. If you didn't see it, zoom in. Ain't that the truth? It's not coming up. No way. This is $15 in the store. Right now, the cheapest price on Amazon is $49. So after shipping, it leaves me $21 profit. This is selling 80 times a month. In December, however, it's selling over 200 times a month. So, yep. This is a cup. So right now I got 40, 55, plus 17. I'm not that good at math. 55 plus 17 is 72. So I got $28 left to spend. That's broken. Is it broken? Nah. 15, that's too much. How about this one? Still too much. Black Barbies. 1,000 ASINs would hate these Barbies. You see these Barbies right here? 1,000 ASINs would fucking hate these Barbies. Oh, here's another one of these drones. Ooh, this seems rare. DC Tech Decks. Didn't even come up. Alright, so let's run some numbers. 17 times 4. 34 times 2. 68. 88. 108 plus 15. 123. Alright, so this was the $100 challenge, but I'm actually gonna spend $123. Just because I found a couple of things that were good, and I'm already in here, so why not spend an extra 23 bucks? We were in here 10 minutes. We really just went through one aisle, the girls' toy aisle. The boys' aisle still has a bunch of stuff in here left to scan. I could sit in here and scan it all day, but this was the $100 challenge, and I already went over. So drop a comment on this video. Let me know what stores y'all want me to do next. And I got y'all. Hey, if you want the Ross to get toys for your daughter this year for Christmas, there's none left. I took them all.
147. Yeah, 147.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You did good.
Thank you. All right, look, guys. $100 challenge. I'm about to walk you guys through all of this stuff that I just bought. As I said, I spent a little bit over $100 just because I wasn't going to leave these there. But let's get into it really quickly. These Minnie Mouse Disney play sets are $8 profit each. At a $20 buy cost, $8 profit. So we have $16 profit so far. Hold on, let's keep going. $16 profit plus. These things, these three are the same. Let's see what these were on the profit. These were $6.75 profit times 3. So plus 6.75 times 3. We're at $36 profit with all these. Then we have this one, which is slightly different. Thank you. This was 38. This is $10 profit, so plus 10. And then we have this one, which is $20 profit plus $20. Not bad. About 60% ROI. Yeah, so I spent about $120 in there because I bought one extra toy just because it was profitable. I didn't want to leave it. So from $120, it got me $66 profit. Basically a 50% ROI on my $120. That's not bad. Go in there with $120, you make $60 profit. These are gonna fly during Christmas time. I'll probably just list them now, you know. They might sell before then, might not. That was today's $100 challenge, pretty short and straight to the point. I did get myself some syrup today because I'm gonna go home and make like some type of vodka juice drink.
Just vodka in that mixed?
Yeah, I'll just mix some vodka in here with this and get faded. And nah, I'm kidding. I'm gonna make some lemonade. Cut the fucking video.